welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about sequence and series. So, enjoy this video! Okay, the first about sequence. A sequence is a sequence of members of the set based on a certain rule. Each member of the set is sorted in order or the first, second, and so on. To express the order or the n term of a sequence, denote un. A sequence can also be defined as a function of natural numbers or a function whose domain is the set of natural numbers. Thus, un equals fn. Suppose un equals 2n plus 1, then the term of the sequence is u6 equals 2 multiplied 6 plus 1 equals 13. The sum of the term of a sequence is called a series. The summation of this term can be made in the form of sigma. The sequence of the term u1, u2, u3, until un expressed in the function fn equals un has a series as u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus until plus un equals sigma I equals 1 until n ui. Next, about arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic sequence is a line where the value of each term is obtained for the previous term by addition or subtraction by a number b. The difference between the values of adjacent terms is always the same, namely b, so that un minus 1 equals b. For example, the sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, and 14 are arithmetic lines with the values b equals 14 minus 11 equals 11 minus 8 equals 8 minus 5 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. To find out the value of the nth term of an arithmetic sequence, it can be found by knowing the value of the key term and the difference between adjacent terms. The following formula un equals uk plus n minus k multiplied b. If what is known is the value of the first term, uk equals a and the difference between the terms, then the value of k equals 1 and the value of un are un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. Next, about arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is the sum of the term of an arithmetic sequence. The sum of the first term to the nth term of the arithmetic sequence can be calculated as Sn equals u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus until plus un, or Sn equals a plus b plus a plus 2b plus until plus a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. If it is known that the value of a is the first term and un is the value of the nth term, then the arithmetic series value is Sn equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus un. For example, find the 18th term of 2, 5, 8, 11, also determine the sum of the first 12th term. The answer n equals 18, b equals 3, u1 equals a equals 2. So, un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied b, u18 equals 2 plus 18 minus 1 multiplied 3 equals 2 plus 17 multiplied 3 equals 2 plus 51 equals 53. Then Sn equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus un equals n divided 2 multiplied a plus n minus 1 multiplied b. S12 equals 12 divided 2 multiplied 2 plus 2 plus 12 minus 1 multiplied 3. Then operation to produce S12 equals 222. So the 18th term of 2, 5, 8, 11 blank 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 is 53, and the sum of the first 12 term is 222. Okay, next about geometry sequence. A geometry sequence is a sequence in which the value of each term is obtained from the first term by multiplying by a number r. The ratio or ratio between the value of the term and the value of the first term, which is close to each other, is always the same, namely r, so that un divided un minus 1 equals r. For the example, rows 3, 9, 27, 81, 243 are geometric rows with value r equals 243 divided 81 equals 81 divided 27 equals 27 divided 9 equals 9 divided 3 equals 3. To find out the value of the nth term of a geometry sequence, it can be found by knowing the value of the key term and the ratio between adjacent terms. The formula is as follows: un equals uk multiplied r to the power of n minus k. If what is known is the value of the first term, uk equals a, and the ratio between the terms, then the value of k equals 1 and the value of un are un equals a multiplied r to the power of n minus 1. Next, about geometry series. A geometry series is the sum of the term of a geometry sequence. The sum of the first term to the nth term of the geometry sequence can be calculated as Sn equals u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus blank 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 until plus un, or as Sn equals a plus ar plus ar square plus blank 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 until plus ar to the power of n minus 1. If we know that the value of a is the first term and the value of un is the nth term, then the arithmetic series value is Sn equals a multiplied 1 minus r to the power of n divided 1 minus r, with condition r more than 0 less than 1, or Sn equals a multiplied r to the power of n minus 1 divided r minus 1, with the condition r more than 1. Example, find the ninth term of 3, 6, 12, 24, blank blank blank, and also determine the sum of the first 7 terms. The answer: a equals 3, r equals 2. So un equals a multiplied r to the power of n minus 1, u9 equals 3 multiplied 2 to the power of 9 minus 1 equals 3 multiplied 256. So u9 equals 768. Because r more than 1, then Sn equals a multiplied r to the power of n minus 1 divided are minus 1. A7 equals 3 multiplied 2 to the power of 7 minus 1 divide 2 minus 1. Then operated to produce A7 equals 381. So, the ninth term of 3, 6, 12, 24, blank 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 is 768, and the sum of the first 7 terms is 381. Okay, that's all about sequence and series. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you!